Hey there, this is Tyler from Copilots Agency, and today I'm going to take you through the Copilots CRM Premium. Okay, so this is our top-of-the-line product. It has everything that you'll need to streamline your marketing and sales processes and truly take control of your marketing, guys. We're not just here to sell you a software, we're here to provide you support, provide you on-demand marketing services, really just support your entire marketing and sales process. So first, let's just go through the dashboard. This is where everything begins and starts. And really, this is a business owner's dream. You can see your active opportunities, your pipeline value, your conversion rate. You can see where all your leads are in the sales process right here. You can see manual actions. This is actually, so if you have a sales team or receptionist, you can actually see how many phone calls they've been making, things like that, and really keep track of all your metrics. You can keep track of tasks right here too. Next, you can find your lead sources, so what's actually working. That's one of the most important things, right? Is Facebook better? Google search, referrals? Where are my leads coming from currently? You can actually see your reputation online right here as well. So that's the dashboard, really everything all in one place. So you might ask, hey, where does this all start? Where does a lead come into Copilots and how does the system handle it? So it really starts with a form, right? So we'll go into Form Builder. And these forms can be created in a number of ways. You can add in name, phone, email, whatever you want here. And you can also add in custom fields that you develop just for your business. You can also create different styles, so you can change colors and also add custom CSS if you would like to code that in there. These forms can also, the coolest part here is that this can work on any website really. There's a simple code that you copy and basically take that over to your website, and that form will embed there and link directly with the Copilot system. So once you actually have the form, I'll show you the website and funnel builder. So everything on the website and funnel builder is drag and drop. There's no code, and here's our form. So after they fill out that form, their information will automatically be put in the system. You can just check this out real quick. It's a very easy to use website and funnel builder, and you can also add menu links up at the top so that way they can have full navigation and it functions just like a normal WordPress or Squarespace website. So let's go back over here. And we're going to go into the pipeline. That's where these leads will actually end up just after they fill out a form. So we'll go to opportunities, and then these sales pipelines, everything can be, custom in here, right? Whatever your sales process is, this pipeline can be customized to meet it. So what we're going to do here is we can actually click on any of these leads, click on that name, and you can see all their information. All the conversations, so text, email, phone calls, Google My Business, Facebook messages, everything ends up here. You can have you can see activity. So if they go to one of your website pages, you'll be able to see that right away here, filling out forms, claiming offers, whatever that is. You'll be able to see what this person did all the way through the process. Task, you can assign tasks. You can add notes about this lead, and you can even book appointments with them right here. Alright, and one of the coolest things is that you can actually build in automation into your pipeline. So let's just say here, we have this job in progress, and then we finish that job. We think they're going to be a great review source. Look at this. We can start an automated review campaign via email, text, whatever you would like. Just by moving that card. That's as simple as that, right? So literally just taking this card from A to B can get you more reviews, which is great for your Google My Business as well as website rankings. So that's a pretty easy way to do a bunch of different things. Alright, next, let's actually dive into campaigns a little bit. So I talked about a review campaign. There's a number of different things that we can actually do here. Appointment reminders, booking requests. You can actually do nurture campaigns too, which are basically maybe someone's not quite ready to buy from you yet. maybe they didn't show up to an appointment, whatever it is. We have a bunch of different ways that we can do that. Let's just show you some of the different things that you can actually do within a campaign. You can do text messages, emails, calls. There's two different ways you can do calls actually. So one of them is, say if a lead calls in, it will actually patch that call with yourself or your receptionist or sales rep, whoever the person that's taking in those calls from the business. Or you can have a manual call, which will actually send a message to the mobile app as well as or the desktop app for you to call that lead. That way we know that we're following up with these people right away. You can also do this really cool thing called a voicemail drop, which will send a pre-recorded voicemail message, and you can change this up any way you'd like to. It'll send that message straight to their phone without actually ringing through, so they get this voicemail, they'll listen to it and call you back based on that, without you actually having to do anything. So there's a bunch of different things you can do with campaigns, just to scratch the surface here. Alright, and once you actually get reviews on your Google My Business, or if you have active ones, you can actually go in here and respond to those reviews right away within the Copilots CRM. So that's the coolest thing here, is we don't have to go between a bunch of different platforms to talk to our clients, even after they've given us a review. So right here, this will actually respond straight to your Google My Business. And this is essential for ranking, is responding to both good and bad reviews. Also, we can do full calendars, and these calendars can be for a number of things. You can have them for different appointments, and you can also have it for each of your staff too, so everyone can have their calendar integrated in one location. And then after this, wanted to just touch on a few more things here. Chat widget, that's extremely cool. This allows you to have a chat widget installed on your website. Just a little bit of code that you have to install there, not a big deal at all. And this will actually get you a chat widget that's live on your website. Really helps people kind of engage a little bit quicker if they just want to send you a quick text. This will actually there's a number of ways to do it, but how we usually go about this is we have it submit their information, and then it'll send you a text message to be able to text them back. So a really cool thing to enable here. And just to kind of go over it, there's also the help library. That's one thing we really pride ourselves on at the Copilots agency, is providing the absolute best support. So the help library can be reached here. It'll just pop up a quick widget here, and you can find articles on everything. So everything within the software is super easy to access. You can also search. So if you want to learn more about forms, you search it. It has everything to do with forms, how you can use them, really all of this. And if you get stuck, it's pretty easy. Contact us. You can report bugs. You can do everything here. So let's just say I have a question about a feature. You send us a response here, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Usually within around 3 or 4 hours is our response time on some of these questions, if not even quicker. So that's kind of how the help feature works. Again, if you guys have any questions about how Copilot CRM works, how this is all structured, we can do a full demo with you and explain how we can solve nearly any of your marketing and sales problems. All right, have a good one.